Hi kids, in today's class we will be learning the topic, farm crops. Farm crops are plants that farmers grow to give us food, clothes, and other important things. In this lesson, we'll practice spelling and identifying the names of different crops and learn how they help us every day. Let's discover the amazing plants grown on farms. Corn. C-O-R-N. Corn. Rice. R-I-C-E. Rice. Wheat. W-H-E-A-T. Wheat. Potatoes. P-O-T-A-T-O-E-S. Potatoes. Tomatoes. T-O-M-A-T-O-E-S. Tomatoes. Carrots. C-A-R-R-O-T-S. Carrots. Cotton. C-O-T-T-O-N. Cotton. Soybeans. S-O-Y-B-E-A-N-S. Soybeans. Sugarcane. S-U-G-A-R-C-A-N-E. Sugarcane. Cassava. C-A-S-S-A-V-A. Cassava. Peanuts. P-E-A-N-U-T-S. Peanuts. Bananas. B-A-N-A-N-A-S. Bananas. Yams. Y-A-M-S. Yams. Apples. A-P-P-L-E-S. Apples. Farm crops give us food to eat and materials to use every day. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.